I am all for whatever aids you, because the second you are alone and you're not one with yourself, your mind starts to wander, and that gnat gets in your head. You don't look as good as you used to. Your friends don't care about you. Your own family thinks you're a failure. Just end it. If you don't want to hear this, intoxicate yourself. Pick your poison. Alcohol, drugs, gambling, pornography, take your pick. Numb it out. It's the inner voice that quietly but bluntly works to discourage. This is what really makes you more stressed and weakens you, which in turn diminishes your confidence and worsens your mood, making you even more depressed and anxious. You're still breathing, but you're not all there because someone else is piloting. When your mental health isn't cemented with half-full thoughts, these foul background conversations can take root and destroy you from within. A deep conversation within yourself is mandatory to reflect on what you could do to heal. You are the product of what you do and don't do, what you heal and don't heal. Everyone is different, so our practices might look odd to one another, but that's okay. Do whatever it takes to get you on your feet. I would mention some examples, but I don't want to discourage or detour anyone from their active, curious thoughts. Just something to keep your mind from growing stagnant. Experiment new things you wouldn't normally do. Go after fear head on. It might sound cliche, but by going out to a gathering you wouldn't normally go do, or joining a new club, you realize that the fear of rejection and other insecurities is all in your head. You have the power. Don't let anyone else take hold of that. Suddenly, the fear will melt away. It will cease to exist because it's lost its meaning. There's no worries because you now can confront what gnaws at you. Stop thinking about what comes next or the end result. That part will inevitably come if quitting isn't an option. It's great to reflect on the past and future, but don't live there. Focus on this second, right now. Gaining even the smallest level of self-awareness will open your eyes to a new horizon. You'll see that every single thing you would like to achieve can be done right now. Because why not? A year is going to pass no matter what you do, but with a focused effort for that year, you could achieve your biggest milestones. It will not happen in a snap or from one day to the next. It's a process, but it's a process you will have to learn to love. You have to learn to love and appreciate those annoying, tedious, boring, and challenging moments. Because if you don't, what do you have? Misery. Your day consists of having 100 songs playing in your head, and the last 5 are the only ones you actually like. Don't just wait around till those last 5 songs cut on to start enjoying yourself. Because once those 95 songs are up, there's no getting that time back. So love it all. You'll wonder where the time went when different forms of temporary and empty distractions are used to fill voids you neglected to explore and delve into.